This is my secret to getting sunshine on a cloudy day. Hi, I'm Terry with Simply Earth, and I love teaching you how to use your essential oils in products you can use every day in your home. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can make your own roll-on that you can use for emotional support on the go. Who doesn't need that? So turn off your distractions, because making is healing. Let's make this sunny days roll-on from Simply Earth. Know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy for you to create with essential oils and natural ingredients. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY candle box, where along with this roll-on recipe, you can make different natural candle themed recipes. When you subscribe to our DIY recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need to make this recipe and more delivered right to your door. We will even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients you need for this recipe at our website at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY candle box. So what you're going to need for the sunny days roll-on is lava, orange, and lemon eucalyptus oil. This is going to smell so uplifting. You also need fractionated coconut oil. This dilutes the essential oils so they're safe for you to use on your wrists and skin. And you also need a 10 ml roll-on bottle. Step 1, remove the top of the roll-on. 2 drops of lava, 2 drops of sweet orange, and 2 drops of lemon eucalyptus. Fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. I'm gonna use a funnel so I don't make a mess. Swirl, and don't forget to put the top back on. Oh, it smells just like summer. Great for everyday use. This is a 3% dilution rate, perfect to use any day, anytime. Don't forget to label it. I love to see your creations on social media. So when you make this recipe, take a picture of your creation and tag from Simply Earth. You will automatically be entered into our hashtag I Made This Challenge, and you could win $5. How awesome is that? See the details below this video. Thanks for watching.